Tom, thanks for having us here today at your beautiful Randles Hotel, Killarney, County Kerry.
I'm delighted to welcome you and to discuss our very exciting sustainability journey here in Randles Hotel.
Tom, with your solar installation now in place, how is it actually working for you?
It was a very important part of our sustainable journey, the installation of PV. We installed a 35 kilowatt PV farm and we were very happy with the SKE Huawei System, specifically because it kicks off early in the morning when light first arrives and we have the last of daylight, so we're really maximising the day. And another huge benefit is the Fusion Solar software and app that allows all levels of management to see the cost savings on a daily, monthly or yearly basis. It's very beneficial.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. Do you have any further plans for installations?
We're currently near completion on an 80 kilowatt solar farm in the Dromhall Hotel. Due to the success of the first phase in Randles Hotel, we decided to go further in the Dromhall Hotel. And again, we're using the SKE Huawei System there.
Could you tell us about the installation here at Randles Hotel, Killarney?
So Randles Hotel had taken a sustainability journey 2 years ago, and as part of the first phase they had chosen solar PV and heat pumps to be installed.
And tell me, why did you choose SKE Engineering Huawei for this project?
As a design engineer, one of our key drivers is to look at all the new technologies coming to the market, and in fairness, when we did a review of the SKE inverter, there was nothing comparable on the market. One of the key components and one of the key drivers for us was the low kick-off volt. Now this in Ireland is very suitable to our client due to the early start and late finish of the inverter, which it starts producing, and this allows the client to generate more energy. Secondly then, what we found was that ease of installation. They have a huge technical support team, so in the case, which is very rare, that you require any assistance on site or clarifications, you can ring the team and the technical support are there to support you. And that is a huge driver throughout the installation.
So tell me, what are the key benefits of using SKE inverters over other suppliers?
There's many key benefits to the Fusion Solar app, which is remote monitoring, instant monitoring. You can monitor on your phone, your laptop. The client has access to the unit price, their energy output, their energy usage. So it gives the client an understanding of where they can make savings and how they can do this. And this is a very, very ease of access system. And also we can actually service the product and update the latest software using the Fusion Solar app remotely. It actually reduces an awful lot of time for us as the supplier, but also for the client.